we started our 14-hour drive. It's probably really loud in the background, but we're going to sleep because it's like 6 in the morning and we have to drive for 13 hours.
Yep.
So, yes.
I'm really tired.
We are currently doing a no phone hour.
It's exactly 9 o'clock.
Well, it's exactly 9 o'clock. We slept for a little. We have 11.5 hours to go. And Matthew, do you like this idea?
Sure.
No, he doesn't like it.
He was really complaining about it.
He only,
before we turned the camera on.
Phone, we can use his Master's phone for vlogging.
Yeah. We have like 9 hours of the drive left. It is currently 11:59. Almost 12.
But anyways.
I drove for an hour. 12:59 because of the time change. Right, okay. And we're trying to watch Scooby-Doo, but it's just like frozen. And it's really sad because we want to watch Wiki Tiki one.
Look, it's working.
Woo! Please enjoy these amazing pictures of us at the New Mexico sign when we cross the border. We're about to find out who the Wiki Tiki was. I don't know. We don't know yet. We're about to find out if Casey was right.
It's that color clashing.
You think you're right?
All very educated guesses, but all incorrect.
It's the only team
Did
that isn't
anybody
there.
happen to notice what a rad surfer the Wiki Tiki is? Ask yourselves one
Wait.
question. Who's the best surfer around these parts?
Remember that?
Yeah, it's good.
Where's that?
In Albuquerque, choosing where to eat, and it's getting into.
Not really. We're just driving until we.
We're just driving and looking.
Yeah, but it's cool.
Right there
So we've learned that Albuquerque is kind of deserted.
Albuquerque.
I don't know. There does not seem to be a lot of people here, which is weird because you're
Starbucks.
kind of thinking it's a big city. So I don't know. We'll update you. So we have 7 hours left. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. But yeah, we're kind of bored. We just got food and it took us like 30 minutes. And moral of the story is we don't like Albuquerque that much. Maybe Matthew likes it, but we don't. We're currently in Santa Rosa. It's a very small, interesting town.
It's cute.
And we're trying to find a bathroom. So come look at Santa Rosa with me. It's
Great.
very interesting. A gas station
Circle K.
in Santa Rosa. And my dad's talking to the mayor of Santa Rosa out there. The mayor is right there. That's the mayor. This is the mayor's card that he gave us.
Yeah.
Right? And we got to talk to him, so that's kind of
He was
hilarious.
really nice. He gave us free passes to like this like water park thing.
But we're not gonna go.
I don't think we're gonna go because we don't have time. Number one, and
Here's what he gave us.
I don't know about
But-
that because
Here's the back dirty window. It looks really nice, pretty sunset. And then
Yeah, and then look that way.
it's just like beautiful city
and
art.
it's a bit of blue.
But we're 10 minutes away from Texas. Yeah, let's go. We made it to Texas. The state sign is like right there. But we had to pull over because it was getting windy and Matthew was very scared to drive. We're all gonna...
We thought there was a tornado, but there isn't, so it's all good.
Hopefully there's not a tornado. We don't really know.
Marissa, there's a tornado. They wouldn't be able to like drive.
Well, it's starting to rain.
Yeah,
We're trying to make sure that this isn't falling off. How was that drive?
Good.
Yeah, you're scaring me a bit. I'm pulling off of the road. And, okay. I think we are in a tornado. Oh my God, look at that. It's such a it's so windy.
It's the same tornado day.
Is it?
Hey everybody, be sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Look at my crazy hand, dude.
Hey, hit 10K, we'll actually get sucked up.
Oh my God. What if we're in a tornado right now? We don't even know it. Woo! Woo! So windy. Oh my God, there's freaking. Our stuff is literally gonna fall off the roof. we're gonna get
Let's
hit.
get off on the next.
Now there's hail.
Oh god. This is really stressful.
It's not the time to vlog, but I just have no hope or else I will cry.
It's scary.
Still driving through a rainstorm.
Yay.
Woo! Yeah, but yeah, it still looks pretty bad. Oh my god. We're done with the storm, hopefully. It still looks pretty dark up there. But look at the rainbow. It starts right there. And it goes all the way over there.
Here's the other side.
Yay, we're driving through a rainbow now. This is his, oh wow, heaven. This is his reaction of me, or his imitation of me.
It's like, oh Lord, please don't let my 10 crop tops and 40 swimsuits get wet up there.
Yay, we made it to Oklahoma City. It's like 1 a.m. No one wants to vlog. That was a long drive. I'm vlogging because we need footage for the vlog, and Casey's luggage got wet. Actually, mine's a little wet too from being on top of our car in the pouring rain. Oh god, whatever. Anyways, here's our hotel. Yay. Hi. Just walked into our room. Good night. Good night. See you in the morning. Say bye. Day 2 of, or no, what? Day like 3 of driving. I don't know. We are leaving our hotel right now. It's 11 a.m. and we're gonna get to the Ozarks at like 6 p.m. But we're gonna go to a Waffle House and we can like look out the window. That's Oklahoma City. We got Waffle House, baby. Woo! This looks so freaking good.
And then I have my other stuff
I
you
know.
can't really see.
We didn't eat dinner last night, so I'm about to eat like all of this. And we finished. This is for my dad.
I didn't bring my whole
Still in Oklahoma City. There's a skyscraper all the way down there. Wow. But yeah, anyways, you guys want to give her a review? What would you rate it out of 10?
Waffle House?
Yeah.
I'd say like a 9. Solid 9 out of 10.
Matthew?
I would say like 7.
7. What about you?
I'd say
His prior
7 because of possible regrets.
Because it was good, but maybe not the best quality. I would say 8 because I was starving and it was actually really delicious, and the hash browns were really salty. The waffles were perfect. The eggs were a little bit runnier than I liked, but they were still good. And the bacon wasn't cooked enough, but still good. Anyway, sorry about that interruption to my food review. But now look at the landscape. It's all green. We're in Oklahoma. It's crazy. It's so different than Arizona, New Mexico, obviously. till we get to the Ozarks. Woo!
3.5 only?
3 hours and 43 minutes. And we're watching Too Hot to Handle. Yay, here's some pictures of us making it to Missouri. T-minus 1 hour until we're there, and we just took a quick stop at the bathroom, which will be our last stop for this whole trip, and it had the coolest floor, so I'll insert that clip here.
Here to Phoenix.
Yeah, we went close enough to Flagstaff. Then we went to Albuquerque, then Santa Rosa, then Amarillo, then Oklahoma City. That's so cool. And where are we now? Like close to here? We're going, I'm like right here.
This is Bruno.
North South Cadillac, Texas Grill Cadillacs, threw me everything back to London, Jamaica, then France, the whole damn world took us. Got the people saying la 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 la, must be saying la 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 la, it's that la 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 la, Kingston say la 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 la.
First view of the lake. Oh, it disappeared.
We're 23 minutes away. Oh my lord.
3
Crossing the lake.
minutes away.
Oh,
the lake.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh my god.
Look at
This is
that.
the dam.
This is the day.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think it. No, maybe it's just
I'm
the
going
bridge.
over here.
Beautiful.
Wow.
1 minute left till we're almost there. Yeah.
Hey, Brady!
What's going on?
This is Marcy Family Vlog,
Oh,
our
shit.
family travel channel. Hello, that's Brady. This is Ryan. Grandpa, how are you? You know them. Hi, everybody. How are you doing? Yes. Hey, Auntie Hannah, say hi for the Markey Family Travel Vlog. Hello. All right, we got everybody.
So we are here. Oh, the lighting. So bright, so bright. But that's our deck, and there's a slide and a boat. And it's a gorgeous view, but I'm too embarrassed to vlog inside, so I think my dad got a tiny bit of footage that I'll put in. It's embarrassing. Hi, welcome back to vlog. We're doing Polish Appreciation Day. So here's blumkies and pierogies.
Hi, happy Polish Appreciation Day.
And hi with your pierogies. Try it. The vlog can't wait. Yeah?
Alright, that's not bad.
It's all right.
Happy wasted days, summer's golden haze in our eyes, lifting you above the breaking waves, memories floating back to my mind. You said, hold the line, I won't let go, 'cause I'll be there when you can finally make it home, and I don't mind.
Hi, Grandpa Larry.
There will be fun when you can find